Remember when you were a little kid and you would look out your window full of wonder and joy and give truck drivers the honk sign? Doot doot. A lot of times they would honk back. Do truck drivers honk or do they honk not? We got Walmart coming up. Is Walmart gonna honk for us? Let's see. How depressing. This is White Pearl coming up on your 6. Do you read me? Permission to pass. I got some hot doggies in the back that would like to hear a tootie toot horn. Do you copy? Woo! Yeah! 1 for 2, folks. All right. Look out there. No! We are 1 for 3. Getting a little bothered by these guys. Golden Flake snack foods. We're 1 for 5. Why don't people honk their horns anymore? No. Next up is a flatbed truck. He's got nothing else to do but honk his horn. Do they just not see my arm? Is my arm too short? We're moving kind of quick for this one, but I feel good. My life is the worst. I am not opposed to the idea that these truck drivers might be a little creeped out that a 39-year-old man alone in his car, besides his 2 dogs, are trying to get them to honk their horn. But in my defense, I do not feel like I'm 39. I feel like I'm 15. Would a 15-year-old drive like this? Wouldn't a 15-year-old blink? I don't even blink. We kindly interrupt your program to bring you the following. Woo! Yeah! Nice! Would a 15-year-old talk to his dog like he's a human? Hey, Asia, you want to stop for dinner? Asia?